for finally our studio is done. So I want to give a big shout out to Joe at B&Q, Milan at B&Q, the manager of Joe. Thank you so much for your time, your patience. It's been amazing. I know I've been a bit difficult working with, but I'm so grateful for the love and support you've shown me. I also want to say a big thank you to my building team, Chris, Pete, Simon, my electrician, Martin, and also the guy who put everything together, Tim. Oh, thank you so much. And to Toby as well. I do appreciate you guys, your patience. I know I've been a pain, but oh, thank you. I know my next project I'm taking you on. Oh, dear, I say, I want pen swat or dimedu, not dear to sumi no. Madame Busi Akwasi, I want butera, and when ya dear mammy, dear studio kama, dear to sumi and son, Madame Kwasi, I was supporter or the mommy. Mwa ni mse so ba baby bia konanim anase bearman's baby bia konanim a na kire se obi otanachi a o support no ti me da mi ko ase me san da ye nyina ye cameraman ase oh aduma no oye mane ye fe na afedi toso me da mu nyina amase ewo supporter modema channel e to de bia na bro madwene ene menti ase so me da mase bebre na we de Sima, tie, near my train, no. Bibi kakra yaye, Abema, a Juma na yamre, Amayininano, and I'm the Eba Bletchley. And to where the main Jim of Yamia Adwoa, a Chinawuku, a 3rd August, Shiame, 4:30 p.m. UK time, originators meaning somewhere the other, Beshiame, na Fayamfa, New Market and Kitana, Akam, Menfenchero, meaning said when you bet him. Na Afro be a chill so and I saw tackle project be saying swap. Nan so busa me dear, Upeso busa dia, Namen Sunim dear Takam one, Namin watch. Madame Massey, Yami admire the same share. I love you all. God bless. Mwah.